we've got this thing right here. It's like you get to act like a real pioneer or Indian or pilgrims. And then we've got this teepee where we can play the drums. We can play the drums here, which a lot of people are here. Over here we have this little territory that we can build places and things, just like the Pilgrims did. We're sharing this with Miss Hill's class. We have this little pilgrim adventure thingy. And then over here we have all this stuff. This is a wigwam diorama, as you can see. There's a little beanstalk, there's a little fire, there's a little pond over here, a duck pond. Then we have this thing that has shells and stuff. We have some corn, we have some berries, we have a pot and antlers. We have the three sisters, corn, beans, and squash. And then we have these little weapons and stuff, and some arrowheads. And then we have these little pinch pots that the whole class made. And then we made this little story thingy, and it's designed by the Indian paintbrush, that little book. We just wrote that. So that is all we have to say.
Cool. What's your name?
Fletcher Kipper.
All right, thank you, Fletcher. Great job.